Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we are going to review Wave Accounting. So, what is Wave Accounting? Wave is a free accounting software platform that provides small businesses with tools to handle bookkeeping, invoicing, and even payroll. It's known for its user friendly interface, which makes it popular among those who might not have a lot of accounting experience. It's also fully cloud based, so you can manage your finances from anywhere with an internet connection. Now let's talk about the main features. Wave offers starting with invoicing. This tool allows you to create, send, and track professional invoices. You can customize the design, set up recurring invoices, and even automate reminders for unpaid invoices. Next up, we have accounting and bookkeeping. Wave simplifies financial management by allowing you to track income and expenses, categorize transactions, and generate financial reports. Lastly, there is payroll. This isn't free, but Wave offers payroll services for businesses in the US and Canada, including automated tax fillings, direct deposit, and more. And when talking about the pros, number one is its free use. That's a huge advantage for small businesses and freelancers with tight budgets. Two, it's user friendly, with a simple interface that doesn't require a background in accounting to understand. Three, the integration of invoicing, accounting, and payment processing makes it an all in one solution for many small businesses. However, there are some downsides. First, the payroll feature isn't free, and it's only available in the US and Canada, which limits its use for international businesses. Another con is customer support. Since Wave is free, customer support is somewhat limited compared to paid accounting software solutions. Now, one of the reasons Wave is so popular is because it's easy to use. The dashboard is intuitive with clearly labeled sections for accounting, invoicing, payments, and reports. Setup is straightforward and you can connect your bank accounts to import transactions automatically. For new users, Wave provides a basic tutorial upon sign up, which helps you understand how to manage your finances and utilize Wave's tools effectively. So, is Wave Accounting the right choice for you in 2024 or even 2025? If you are a freelancer or a small business owner looking for a free, easy to use accounting tool, Wave is absolutely worth trying. It's one of the best no cost options out there, although it does have limitations if your business requires more advanced features. And that's all for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.